My name is Jason Spear. I am the landscape foreman over at Inside Out Janitorial and Landscaping, and I've been here for 15 years. So I chose to work here because I had a friend telling me about the Work Training Center and what they do, and I have a sister with cerebral palsy, and after learning about how they work with clients in the community and help them have richer lives, and having a sister in the same position, I decided it was a good thing for me to try out. It's really hard for me to say how the Work Training Center has impacted my life. I'd like to think I've impacted the clients' lives in a positive way. We're all working toward a common goal of helping enrich other people's lives, and there are a lot of really good people. It's an enjoyable job. You know, we joke around a lot, but we also get a lot done. Throughout the years, there's been a lot of enjoyable experiences here at the Work Training Center. Picking just one would be difficult for the number of years I've been here, but one of the things I enjoyed is when a client I had personally worked with quite a bit moved on and got a job out in the community where he's now thriving and doing better than he ever did when he was working here.